everyone, welcome back to Ashley's Kitchen. Today we are making cold-style spicy pork liver. It's bold, fragrant, a little spicy and seriously addictive. Not the usual soft liver, this one has a nice chew and is perfect with a cold beer. First, take the pork liver and slice it open lengthwise through the middle. Drop it into clean water and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. This really helps remove impurities and keeps the flavor clean. Now let's prepare the chilies. In a small bowl, add Sichuan peppercorns, dried chilies that have been cut open, and add some water. This washes off any dust and also keeps them from burning too fast when we stir fry later. For aromatics, we've got minced garlic and scallion segments. And for spices, big pieces of scallion, ginger, Sichuan peppercorns, bay leaves, and star anise. Everything is ready, let's cook. Put the pork liver into the wok with cold water. Add 2 tablespoons cooking wine. Leave the lid off and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, skim off the foam. The cleaner, the better. After that, add in the spices and 1 teaspoon salt. Keep the lid off and let it gently simmer for 15 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Take the liver out and let it cool until just warm. Then slice it, about coin thick. That's perfect. Now heat oil in the wok and add the sliced pork liver. Cook on high heat first to drive off the moisture. Once it dries out a bit, turn to low heat and keep stir frying until it's dry, fragrant, and nicely colored. Add the garlic, soaked dried chilies, and Sichuan peppercorns. Keep stir frying. Season with 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon white pepper. Mix well. Then add 1 tablespoon each of cumin, white sesame seeds, and chili powder. Stir fry for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, just until everything smells amazing. Add 1 tablespoon white liquor. Give it a quick toss. Right before turning off the heat, add the scallion segments. Toss quickly, and it's done. Look at this, super fragrant, slightly spicy and not soft at all. It's chewy and packed with flavor. This is the kind of dish you snack on slowly with a beer. Let me try it for you. Really aromatic. The more you chew, the more flavor comes out. With a cold beer, absolutely perfect. You've got to try this at home. Thanks for watching. See you next time.